Okay, this video is about how to quad boot Debian 9.2 with Windows 10, Ubuntu 16.04.3 and Fedora 26. It's the UEFI guide. To follow this tutorial, you can check my YouTube channel. There is a playlist there that has all what you have to do to create a larger UEFI partition, how to create since this is a multi operating system, the first operating system is the Windows 10, and I show how to custom install Windows 10. You have a larger, you create, you leave like on 1 terabyte hard drive, you only use 100 gigabyte for Windows. And then for each GNU/Linux distribution installation, we use just a small partition for the operating system. As you can see, I'm using Debian, so I already did the installation. Debian, they have a live USB, but there is no option to run the installer from the live USB media. So I had to use a camcorder to record, and I have the screenshots, but on my blogs I will have the screenshots, and I will upload to Google Photos. In this video, I'm going to show how to convert more than. So this is the SD card. So the files is 3 files here. So one is 3.2 gigabyte. The second is 4.2 gigabyte. And the third one is 2.9 gigabytes. So 2.9, so 3.2 plus 3.2, 7.4 plus 3, so it's going to be 3.3, 7, it's going to be 10.3 gigabytes of AVI file, and I'm gonna use VLC to play this file, and also I'm gonna use simple screen recorder to convert the files to WebM. So in the end of the video, I'm gonna show from 10.3 gigabyte of file. With the whole video is going to be around, I would say around 600 megabytes, 800 megabytes, the total video. But on this video, I'm going to show the installation, reboot into each desktop environment, and then logging in to the Debian. So this is the Debian after the installation. This is not a live media. So I'm gonna use VLC to play the files here. So I'm gonna play first the file number 1. This is a 3.2 gigabyte. So I'm gonna open VLC to play it. Okay, this video is about how to Quad Boot Debian 9.2 with Windows 10, Ubuntu 16.04.3 and Fedora 26. I already have, if you follow this, my multi-boot videos, you're gonna see that actually, let me start to. You're gonna see that select the language here. I'm gonna use the English language. I'm gonna click continue. I'm gonna use this from American language here. If you follow my guide, I already have on this 1 terabyte hard drive, I have 750 gigabyte free to install each additional operating system, and I will want to have on this 1 terabyte up to 25 operating system. And on Debian, there is no way to screencast the video without using the virtual box, and so I decided to use to record like this, so you can really see how to do it. So this is my wireless card here. So I'm going to take a screenshot while I'm doing this. It should give the option to select where to name the screenshot. It don't give that option. So on the installer, it should have the option to select where you want to save and to give the name to each screenshot, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the Debian, it gives no option to do that. So anyway, yeah, it's asking if I want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. I will, let me take a screenshot here just to have this here. I will connect to this network, my network here, and actually I don't want to connect. Go back. I'm select the network here. Usually I don't like to be online when I do the installation, but in this case here I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi network here. So there is no way to type the screen name, like the screenshot, like 1, 2, 3, 4, so you know which one is the first one. So I'm gonna tap my Wi-Fi. Okay, so usually I do installation offline, but it will I will use the host name here So the host name can be name, letters and numbers. If you don't have a domain name, you leave this empty. Click continue. Okay, you need a password for the root. So I'm going to set up my password here. So I have my password here. This is the root password. Click continue. Username. I like to use the name of the operating system. I'll use like that. Click continue. So you use that one, the password. So this is the password here for the user account. Click continue. So you use the Eastern. I already have 7 partitions there. So this partition, I just have to create one ext4 partition. I'm going to click on manual here. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to take a screenshot. So I'm going to do, I have 832 free space. I want to take a screenshot, so I'm going to use the free space here. So I have 2.2 gigabyte UEFI system partition. I have 105 for Windows, 21 gigabyte for Ubuntu. I had to create 2 swap partition because Fedora didn't see didn't see the swap partition, so I had to create another one. The 32 gigabyte here, this is the Fedora, and now I'm going to use the 826. But I will shrink the partition. So I'm going to click continue here. I'm going to create a new partition. I'm going to take a screenshot here. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to use a 40 gigabyte partition because I want to add each desktop environment supported to the Debian support. I will install each desktop environment on this partition here. I believe it will take one extra 4 gigabyte partition space. So I'm going to use to be the beginning here on the installation here. I'm going to click continue. So as you can see, we're going to use ext4 file system. It's going to be a mount point. It's going to be mounted option default. Label. I want to label this Debian 9.2. I want to take a screenshot here. Then I'm going to click continue. And bootloop flag here, you have to double click here. I'm going to take a screenshot here. You double click and then let me see if I can change this here. So it's a mount point here, ext4. I'm going to click here, done, setting up the partition. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to take a screenshot first. Click continue. So what's going to happen in here, I have a 40 gigabyte. I'm going to format that partition. And I will have 792 gigabyte free, so I can install additional operating system on the on this free space here. I will install in the next video. I'm going to install Arch-based Linux distribution, GNU/Linux distribution. I will use Manjaro, Antergos, and there is another one that I forgot the name. I will install 3 Arch-based distro. So anyway, I have the free space here, everything is good. So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take another screenshot here. I'm gonna click continue here in the bottom. Actually, I have to go back here. I have to select the 40 gigabyte here. Click continue here. Okay, I forgot to click on finish partitioning and right change to disk. Click continue. So what's going to happen is it already saw that it detected that I have 2 swap partition, and it's going to use the ext4 as the mount point of the partition here. I'm going to click yes here. I'm going to click continue. I will pause the video, and then when it's almost finished, I start it again. So I'm going to delete this video. I'm going to video number 2. Installation, since it's connected to the a network media can be used to supplement the software that included on the CD-ROM. This may also make new version of software available. your network meter, you click yes, and click continue. I will use, since Debian is from the United States, I will use the meter from the United States, and I'm going to use the first option here. Actually, I'm going to use debian.org. I'm going to take a screenshot here. Actually, let's see. Yeah, this one. So this one here, I don't have to use proxy, so I don't have to change. So Debian 9 had a few bugs. 9.1 they fixed 95% of the bugs. The 9.2 I believe it has no bugs at all. I did install it. I did installation, everything works fine. But I decided to, but I had the Debian 9.1, so I decided to download the 9.2, and then I'm using the 9.2 to make the installation here. Then so when I will show how to boot custom file that has a installer that has a graphical installer, and from each GNU slash distro like Debian, Arch Linux, CentOS, or a distro that is based on it, that has a graphical people is asking me about. Then I will do it. It's finished, so I'm going to take a screenshot here. And the root password and the user password on a notebook. Online, if you want to do a quick installation, don't use the internet, because you have to download. If you have a faster internet connection, that's good. It's faster to do installation, but if you have a slow internet connection, it takes more time to do that. So, and make sure you write down the username and the root password and the user password on a notebook, because okay, the installation is finished. So I'm going to take a screenshot here. You should have the option here to type screenshot number 2 or 5 or 10 or 12, 16, 20. It does not give you the option there. So when you want to play the screenshots, it's not going to be screenshot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be like this. So I think this way is the wrong way to do it. So I'm going to click continue here. So I'm going to reboot the computer. I'm going to have to remove I'm going to click continue. And when it shut down, I will remove the USB flash drive with the Debian. If everything works right, I will see the Debian with the option to boot to Debian, Windows 10, Ubuntu, and Fedora. I will boot first to Windows 10 to make sure it works, and then to to Ubuntu, Fedora, and the last one will be Debian. And right inside of the Debian, I will use this video because this video is, each video is gonna be like almost, this is gonna be like 3 gigabyte video, so it's 2 videos. It's gonna be like this is gonna be like 20 minutes video. It's gonna be more than 3 gigabytes. So I'm gonna use I will use simple screen recorder. I have the flash drive here. I took the flash drive. Now, as you can see, everything is working fine. I got the Debian. I have the Fedora 26, Ubuntu, Windows Boot Manager. So I'm gonna boot to Windows. I'm gonna press Enter. So the installation works 100%. Everything is fine. So, like I said on my first video, if you follow my instruction, if you just create one partition for Windows, I have a Windows playlist. I'm going to restart. I have a Windows 10 playlist on YouTube, and I show all the tricks on how to create a larger UEFI partition. So I'm going to boot to Ubuntu. Let's see if I have time. 18 minutes. So I got the Ubuntu. Everything's working well with the Ubuntu. I'm gonna have to pause this video because on this camcorder I cannot make a video bigger than 20 minutes. So I will, when you get to the login screen, I will pause the video and restart the video again. Okay, this is the video 2. This is the last video. Okay, started the video again. Ubuntu is taking around, after triple booting, quad booting, it's taking around 40 seconds, 50 seconds to boot. So that's the login screen here. I'm gonna what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shut down. I'm gonna restart. Now I'm gonna boot to Fedora. Fedora, I have all the 6 supported desktop environment installed. I found a bug. I did a bug report. I cannot access all the desktop environment on the login screen, and on each operating system I want to have all the supported desktop environment available. So I want to make some video tutorial on each desktop environment. VirtualBox to do for that. So I just want to be able to log out and log in with different desktop environment. So what happens is it takes Fedora is taking around 40 to 50 seconds to boot to. Okay, this is the Fedora 26, and then I have Cinnamon, GNOME, LXDE, LXQT, Mate, Mate. I have on the bottom here KDE, and the XFCE. There's no way to get there because you can scroll down to select it. Anyway, I will restart this. I'm going to boot to Debian now. So I'm going to restart. Now I will boot to Debian. Comes with since this is the first boot, it will take a little longer to boot. I want to okay, now I'm on the Debian login screen, so I'm going to log in. My username and password. This is the main desktop, so I will make a video on how to customize it a little bit. Check. First boot stick. Into WebM. All the more than gigabyte. Quarter taking time. Finally, it took a very long time. Okay, this is the so I already connect to the internet, and this is let's see about Mate. This Mate 1.16.2. So I'm gonna log out just to see something here. Log out on Debian. Let's see. Okay, so see I will install each desktop environment supported by Debian, so I know I will not have a problem selecting all the desktop environment here, because there's a long place to select it. So this is very nice. So I will make a video, one video on how to install each desktop environment on Debian. I have the 40 gigabyte partition, so I'm gonna log into Debian now, and now the login is quick because there's the first time that takes time. So now I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna make a video on how to install Debian, but right inside of the installed Debian. So I'm gonna make the video to convert this AVI file direct to WebM, and I'll be able to cut the video to make it very small. So the whole video on how to Quad Boot Debian with Windows 10, Ubuntu Fedora, and Debian is going to be, I believe the video is going to be, so it's going to take maybe 45 minutes to make this video. So I believe it's going to be around maybe 600 megabytes, but the total 3 video here that I did to make this video, I believe I'm going to show on the video, it's going to be way over 7 gigabytes in size, file size. So okay, so anyway, you can see this is the installed Debian 9.2. Now I'm going to close this. I'm going to remove my SD card, and then I just want to see the whole video. Oh, I'm fucking unbelievable. The 3 videos is 10.3 gigabyte. So I'm using I use VLC to play the video, and also I'm using simple screen recorder to record the video. So I said when I was recording with the camcorder that the video size will be way over 7 gigabyte, which is, you could see that it was 10.3 gigabyte, and the whole video here is going to be, I said the video was going to be around 45 minutes, and the file size is going to be around 600 megabytes. Okay, so that's it for now. My next video is going to be customizing Debian 9.2. I will do a little customization, and then I will do multi-boot 5. Actually, I will do a video on how to verify the Manjaro. I don't know which desktop environment I'm going to use. Maybe I'll use the default desktop environment. And then I will multi-boot. It's going to be a Penta boot. I will install every supported desktop environment on Manjaro. But I will show how to customize each desktop environment. But my plan is to have on this 1 terabyte hard drive is 25 operating system. So if you want to learn how to customize the Debian 9.2 mate, you just can subscribe to my channel, and from there you're going to be able to follow the videos. So I'll see you in the next video, and if you like it, please subscribe, like, and share the video.